Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent. This is 731 Pleasant Street, Unit 1A, and this is a 1-bedroom plus an office, 1 bathroom in Worcester, Mass. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front here. So this is the front to my right. That's the front door to the common area, which goes out to the front porch, right off of Pleasant Street, kind of close to Worcester State University, just up the road. And I just want to start out by, going around, giving you the best idea of the size of this place that I can, kind of go through a lot of the spacings and everything like that. So once you get in here, you're going to see that it's very kind of elegantly designed. You have that fireplace fixture right there, as well as the hardwood floors, which go throughout this and the bedrooms. And really just a lot of space in here. It's a 2 parlor room setup. It's a 1-bedroom, but there's the office on the left, and you can see the 1-bedroom on the right here through the living room. So very spacious if you like lots of light, high ceilings, and big windows. Lots to like in here. You can see the radiators that kind of go around. I would say space in the living room is easily big enough for a couple sectional couches, plus 2 entertainment systems if you wanted them, or you can make one more of a dining room kind of thing. Over here is this office. This is kind of like an office space. You can see kind of like over there on the street, and it has heating in here, has some outlets in here, some nice 2 sets of the 3-prong outlets, which is very nice. It has some nice build-ins. So like, for example, this is a closet. There's a couple of these kind of as you go through. This is a closet in the living room itself. So very nice, very open. Here's bedroom. So you got bedroom in here. It already has some build-ins with the closets in there. You do have more of the heat radiators closet over there behind the mirror. Once again, I'm really struck by how high the ceilings in here look and feel. These are newer. Those are newer. And then here you have another closet. So even more closet space. For a 1-bedroom apartment, you do have lots and lots of storage. That's kind of the front half of the house. Second half of the house goes through here. This goes into the kitchen area. So you got a 4-top stove right there, as well as the cabinets. Things are in pretty good shape in here. There's a dishwasher as well. Dishwasher, stove, fridge, kind of all you need for to have the full set of appliances in here. Recessed lighting, as well as a nice other light fixture up there. Another closet over here, just a little bit of extra storage, especially for like food. You might not even need it with the amount of cabinets that are in here. Great island, plenty of space. If you like cooking, it's a very good place to cook. Big windows right in front of the sink. A lot of people really want that to be part of the package. So very well done, very open space kitchen through there. This is kind of the other side of the house. So you're going to see this place has a private entrance. This goes out to the parking lot. We'll take a look in a minute. Here's the bathroom. So you got sliding glass doors. Also looks really good with the kind of theme of the green coming through here, through the kitchen. Then this is the private entrance. So, it's its own porch. And then we've got the actual parking lot here. And then see details on for the parking. And then over here is a shared space. This is the rear common area, or rear backyard, I should say. It's fully fenced in. It's some nice foliage, some nice, shrubbery. There's some birds. It's real quiet out here, so really nice to see that. It's not used super often, so. But it is definitely a wonder because this is a very large backyard. Coming up through here, you're going to see there's a laundry room. So that's where the washer and dryer are. It's coin-op laundry. Really right behind the unit. So that was pretty much everything that I have to show for today. Once again, if you want to see a full list of our vacancies, you can go to nexuswor.com/vacancies, or to our for rent page. You'll see a full list of everything that we have available at that place. And if you can always reach out to a leasing agent to set up an appointment pretty much at any given day. And once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester, 731 Pleasant Street, Unit 1A.